Welcome to Suryarjun Realtors, the real estate company and property consultants in Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, Telangana. Please watch this video completely to get the detailed information about this property. We have 5 BHK duplex villa for sale in Yapril, Sainikpuri. This 5 BHK duplex villa is 6 years old and well maintained time to time. This 5 BHK duplex villa is for sale in the most familiar gated community in Yapril, nearby Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, Telangana. This gated community welcomes you with the grand welcoming arch, widened roads with the street lights, greenery park, children play area, spacious clubhouse, 24 hours water supply, 24 hours security with CC camera surveillance. This 5 BHK duplex villa comes under Malkajgiri Municipality, Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, Telangana. This 5 BHK duplex villa is constructed in 640 square yards, facing west and south in the direction, as two roads corner plot. This villa is being constructed with all the required municipal and government permissions. The total constructed built-up area is around 4,200 square feet, consisting of 5 bedrooms with 4 attached washrooms, spacious hall, exclusive dining room and drawing rooms, modular kitchen, wash area, sit-out passage area in all the 4 corners of the villa, 2 servant quarters with 1 washroom for servants, main gate with the sufficient parking space for cars and bikes. This 5 BHK duplex villa is fully furnished and ready to purchase, including furniture such as beds, televisions, dining table, sofa, chairs, etc. This 5 BHK villa is ready to move immediately in condition. This 5 BHK duplex villa is facing 30 feet road. This location is sound-free, pollution-free environment, surrounded with all the gated communities and decent localities. The international schools, army schools, supermarkets, malls, cinema theaters, hospitals are just 5 to 10 minutes drive from this location, as it is in the radius of 2 to 5 kilometers from ECIL, Sainikpuri, Naredmet, Saket, Trimulkheri, etc. This 5 BHK duplex villa is mortgage free. And the architecture of this house is designed by the government certified civil engineer and constructed by the most experienced and licensed builder in Hyderabad. This 5 BHK duplex villa is most beautified with attractive interiors, false ceilings, good ventilation, sufficient groundwater, exterior elevations are impressive with the eye-catchy wall paintings. Call us for more details about this property, site visit, purchasing process. We also process the loan from all the banks, non-banks and private institutions if required. Suryarjun Realtors will be serving you starting from the site visit, property finalization, registration of the property. We also do construction according to the preferences of the client. Please subscribe our channel, like, share this video, also press the bell icon to get latest property videos as soon as we upload. Thanks for your time. Welcome to Suryarjun Realtors, the real estate company and property consultants in Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, Telangana.